Got a kid here and it's raining. It's raining in winter. It's
Hallelujah!
It's raining in winter. Oh, it's almost
no,
spring.
It's almost spring.
Yeah, it's almost spring.
Shut up.
Dance with me, this song
No.
is the destiny. Say,
Corona has cold outside.
ah! It's a cold day outside.
It is kind of.
Birds are hiding, flowers are dying, and days like this, kids like you should be playing out in the snow. It has nothing to do with rain.
Yeah, even if it's raining, then you can have nice packed snow. Then you can go out and make a...
I'm dedication because I just told my grandfather.
Then you can go ask your older sister if you have one. You can knock on her door like this. Da 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 da.
No.
Say their name. Elsa. You want to build a snowman?
Okay, so this is as the dedication because I told my grandfather to leave because he was gonna pick me up, but I just told him to leave and we saw him leaving.
Yeah.
Cause like.
You should have done something on it. Why didn't you?
Cause Brian never paid attention to my uploaded plans. You know, I said every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday there's gonna be there's supposed to be a walking Chronicles.
Unless something very bad happens, like somebody dies.
Like a snowstorm and no school. And Tuesdays and Thursdays, if there is band, there is no walking Chronicles. Because I'm not holding my phone in one hand and my guitar in the other. Unless there's no band.
I'll do it.
No.
I'll do it. There's some very money Naruto!
So tell if you're watching this the day it's uploaded, why were you not at school? Because sick is not an option. Because if you're sick, they shouldn't be playing Roblox. That motorcycle was done for you. Because you're sick.
Hey, you guys, that's if this is a can of beer or Pepsi.
It looks like cap. It kind of looks like apple juice.
Put it away.
Okay, there. Okay. Now comment down below what kind of pop is that? Or liquid, I should say.
Liquid.
Liquid.
Oh, what kind is this?
It's a Pikachu.
No.
Pepsi. It's Pepsi Man. It's Pepsi Man. Pepsi Man. No, Pepsi Man. You just got ran over. Pepsi Man. Pepsi Man. Pepsi.
Hey, I wonder what you can do with this string. Here, let's stop it.
You wanna know something? We spent a minute playing with Pepsi Man.
Yeah, I will.
Pepsi Man. Best cover.
Hey, Jaden, when are we gonna do our first ever? Our first ever. Actual video.
What do you mean video?
Gaming video.
In years.
Is it over the March break?
Don't come it. Oh, the gaming. Okay. I know what you're talking about now. I thought you meant with like a capture card.
No.
Yeah, probably.
Hear that, you guys? A new series is coming towards you, or just an episode.
See them. I have a
Extra sauce. Did I get snot on your thing?
That's not, but you got something on it. You got spit. Oh no. You got spit from your nose. No, wipe it off. Wipe it off. No, wipe it off on yourself.
No. Jaden,
I'll stop the recording. And then it'll only take like 10 minutes, 30 minutes to upload. Right now he's just eating his booger.
No, I'm not.
You used to it anyway. Wait, look, it's not raining.
It's only sprinkling.
Wait, it's sprinkling. I don't feel anything on my head.
Oh, yeah. No.
Yeah, I don't feel anything.
It's because you're blinded and you have a weak immune system.
Question mark?
Immune system is what keeps you from being sick, kids.
I said feeling.
And you have no nerves.
Oh, by the way, I only get like sick 3 times a year.
Same.
Luckily.
Hey, but you guys, fun fact. I get 2 grandparents dead in 4 months faster than Jaden gets sick.
Ha ha ha. That is actually true. That's actually true.
I'm gonna crush it.
No.
Whoa.
Curtis, stop. I can't get up. Help me. Wake me up. Wake me up. I can't get up. Guys, here over there.
Jaden, you dummy.
Wake me up. Sorry, give it back.
Hey! Hey, you guys, look what I found.
Found Steve.
Yeah, Steve. He got back from the fence, apparently. Apparently, a few kids kicked him around. Bullied him. Like somebody I knew!
Yo, I can actually say I slipped.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And if his parents ask, he's just gonna say he fell. Jaden, your book bag. It's dead.
It's almighty.
Yeah.
So I'm actually gonna say I slipped.
He did.
I actually did. Because Carter was not even trying to pushing me down, he was just throwing me around. And I slipped.
He messed up, his leg gave out.
My legs gave up. Nothing is done.
Hey, look, I got a daughter?
Ha!
Gender? I do not know. Steve, have your kid back!
Steve. I think it was even bounces pop. Like, woo!
Like one of them rocket ships that go up, then it turns back down.
Question of the day, do you hate Brian?
Yes.
Well, see,
Yes, you do, Jaden.
see, I'm not gonna say the last name, because we're not talking, you don't know which Brian we're talking about.
Yeah, nobody knows. Nobody knows. He's taking me home.
And 2, this credit is for you. Why were you playing Roblox when you were sick?
Yeah. Well, actually, Jaden, some people can still play games. They can get off their lazy ASSs.
ASSs.
ASSs. You should put
See,
that
so
up in brackets.
ASS.
Yes.
Yes. ASSs. Because he got multiples.
Yeah. And then he should go onto his computer and see people can still get up and do things around the house.
Like, see, when I'm sick, it usually takes me the day actually to get up and do something.
Well, you're a weakling. You gotta ring.
No, it's go on the freaking half day of school. I get sick on the other half.
Yep.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video until comment down below why were you playing Roblox. Yeah, take my head off.